My dear student, we will be now discuss about a new point of organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. It is same for class 11th and class 12th. Now the our major problem occurred at this time student, such as we will be structure right as this type chlorobenzene, and now as this type and ammonium, and now the ammonia and H2O. And a lot of students are in confusion how to calculate the number of lone pair electron, and in this structure chlorine 3 lone pair electrons, in this structure 2, and nitrogen no lone pair electron, and in this structure nitrogen no lone pair electron. So this is a formula. By the help of formula we can calculate it in the atoms the number of lone pair electron in all the formulas. So if a formula is set in our mind, so we calculated the lone pair electron in all kind of atoms in are found in the molecule. So our main point is lone pair electron, lone pair electrons, number of lone pair electrons. Now what is the formula of calculated the number of lone pair electron in a atom? So we can say write at this type number of lone pair electrons at an atom in the molecule or ion. So the formula is this type: number of electrons in outer shell minus number of covalent bond plus minus charge divide by 2. This is the common formula, and by the help of this formula we can calculate the number of electrons in any kind of atom in the molecule or ions. So we will apply this type formula. Please understand this formula: number of electrons in outer shell, how many electrons are found into the outer shell of atom, and the number of covalent bond, the center atom, how number of covalent bond make by with the other atoms, and plus minus charge. So are you ready to calculate the number of electrons? And now we will be discuss about H2O, CH4, hydroxide ion, chloride ion, in chlorobenzene, and 6 number is ammonia, 7th ammonium, number 8 methyl carbocation. Now we will discuss about the calculated the number of electron. The atom is denoted by the star. Now let the start, and please write down the your problems and you can solve all kind of problem in your notebook. So this is the H2O, and number of lone pair electron at oxygen. As we know, the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and the electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s square, 2s square and 2p4. Now this is the inner shell to contain 2 electron. This is the outer shell contains 6 electron, and this is outer shell is also known as valency shell, and these electron are valency electron, and these electron is decided to the valency of the atoms, and these cells are also participated into making the bond. So number of electron in outer shell in oxygen is 6, and the number of covalent bond according to the formula, and the structure of H2O is this type. The number of covalent bond 1 and 1 is 2, plus minus charge is 0 divided by 2. Now we will calculate it this type. 6 minus 2 equal to 4 divided by 2 barabar 2. These are the lone pair electron. So oxygen, the complete structure of H2O is this type, because the distance is between these lone pair due to the repulsion. The lone pair and these lone pair are repelled as field to repulsion. So this distance is found between its. Now the complete structure of H2O, and this is V shape. H2O is found into V shape. Now next the example of ammonia. Now next example of NH3, ammonia. The number of outer shell in oxygen. Now the nitrogen is 7, electronic configuration 1s square, 2s square and 2p3, outer shell electron 5, and now the 5 minus number of covalent bond, and this the ammonia structure is found in pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shapes show 3 covalent bond, divide by 2, plus minus charge is no 0 because this is the neutral atom. So 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, and 1 is this lone pair. So this is the complete structure of ammonia. And now the ammonium. Third example, we will take ammonium. Show nitrogen contain 5 electron, covalent bond of hydrogen, and ammonium, the structure is this type, H and H, H and H. So 5 covalent bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the charge is plus, so minus, we will be write minus. Please remember, if the charge is minus, then we will be here plus. If the charge is plus, we will write here minus. So divide by 2, and 5 minus 5 divided by 2 equal to 0. So ammonia, in the ammonium, nitrogen contain no lone pair electron, lone pair electrons. After then, we will take a good example, such is for H2SO4. H2SO4 is known as sulfuric acid. sulfuric acid. This is the king of acid. Why is known as this sulfuric acid is king of acid? Because a lot of salts are formed by the help of sulfuric acid. So this is the known as a king of acid. And now the structure of, we will be count the lone pair electron at the sulfur, and S2SO4 is found at this type, in this type structure OH. And now the sulfur contain 16 atomic number and contain the 16 electron, 1s square, 2s square, 2p6, 3s square and 3p4. Now the outer shell contains 6 electron and 6 electrons. So we will have this type 6 minus number of covalent bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and plus charge, no charge, because the H2SO4 is a neutral molecule, so 0 divided by 2 and now the 0. In the sulfuric acid, the sulfur contain no lone pair electron. Now after then the methyl carbocation. Now next step is compound methyl carbocation. This is known as methyl carbocation. Now this is known as methyl carbocations. And number of lone pair electron in methyl carbocation we will be calculate at this type. Number of outer shell in carbon, so carbon contains 6 number of atomic number and electron configuration 1s square, 2s square and 2p4. Outer shell contains 6, 2p2 contain 4 electron, so 4. And now the methyl is found in this shape, and now this is found in this shape. So 3 covalent bond 1, 2 and 3, minus 3 and charge is plus, so we will be write minus 2 and 4 minus 4 divided by 2 and 0. So we can say the methyl carbocation, the carbon contain no lone pair electron. Now the after then the hydroxide ion, this is the most and suitable example according to our syllabus. So this is the hydroxide ion known as hydroxide ion. How many number of lone pair electron at the oxygen atom? Now we will know oxygen is found contain the 8 number atomic number, show as this type 1s square, 2s square and 2p4. And now the outer shell contains 6 electron. Oxygen contains 6 electron in outer shell, and this is the known as outer shell, outer shell. And this is known as also valency shell. And these electron are valency electron. Now we will calculate it by the formula. Use 6 minus 1 covalent bond and plus, because the charge is minus, so we will be plus 1, add here 2 and plus and minus contain cancel to each other, so 3. So in the hydroxide ion, the oxygen contain 3 lone pair electron. So we will be as this type 1, 2 and 3 and minus charge. Now next formula is chloride minus. How many number of are lone pair electrons at the chlorine ion? This is chloride ion known as chloride ion. How many number of lone pair electron are at the chloride ion? So we know chlorine contain 17 atomic number. The electronic configuration 1s square, 2s square, 2p6, 3s square and 3p5. Outer shell contains 7 electron. Show number of lone pair electrons 7 minus no covalent bond 0 and charge -1, so here +1, divide by 2 and 6 divide by 2 बराबर 3 equal to 3. So chloride ion contain 3 lone pair electron as this type. According to my idea and new concept classes, you have learnt the how to calculate the number of lone pair electrons at the atom in the molecule. Now please write the homework and to write the correct answer in the comment box. First is carbon dioxide. You will be count the number of lone pair electron denoted by the star. And second, NH3. And third is HBr. And fourth is HNO3. Now this is your homework. Thank you and goodbye. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.